looks very playful.
I think they're playing in their own special way.
Well, they're doing something.
Well, they're letting off energy. At least they'll sleep well tonight.
I'll tell you what, Dixie can move.
She's still young, though. I mean, it's not like she's old compared to his young. She's only 3.
Whoa!
That was violent.
Well, Max knows he did something wrong.
I think she's getting tired.
Yeah, that's what it is.
We should be getting tired soon, too. Eventually.
He's gonna go.
Okay, well, guys, Mom has a way of figuring out right then. You guys got to be on the ball now. We got the little machine over there ready to go. And there's the guilty party. All right, now that the chase is over.